Hello, and welcome back to another exciting video on Europe in Detail. Today, we're exploring a city that pulses with energy, history, and vibrant culture. Belgrade, the capital of Serbia. Get ready for 44 fun and fascinating facts that will make you want to dive into Belgrade's charm head first. So, without any further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. Did you know that Belgrade is often called the White City? The name itself, Belgrade, comes from the Slavic words beli, meaning white, and grad, meaning city, owing to the white stones that once lined the fortress. Number 2. The Republic Square is the main gathering place in Belgrade, surrounded by landmarks like the National Museum and National Theater. It's the heart of the city, where people come to celebrate and relax. Number 3. Zemun, once a separate town, is now part of Belgrade, known for its charming riverside cafes, narrow streets, and the iconic Gardos Tower. It feels like stepping back in time. Number 4. Serbian bakeries, or pekara, are legendary for delicious pastries like burek and kifla. These bakeries are everywhere and provide some of the best street food in Belgrade. Number 5. Kafana culture thrives in Belgrade. These traditional Serbian taverns are known for their laid-back atmosphere, live folk music, and endless rounds of rakija. Each kafana has its own unique vibe. Number 6. Rakija, the famous fruit brandy, is a Serbian tradition, and Belgrade claims to serve the best in the Balkans. Don't miss a taste of this fiery drink during your visit. Number 7. The National Assembly of Serbia is an architectural gem with a stunning green dome and intricate statues. It's not only a political hub, but also a beautiful landmark worth admiring. Number 8. Serbia's traditional food is hearty and flavorful, and Belgrade is the best place to try it. Don't miss dishes like cevapi, grilled minced meat, and sarma stuffed cabbage rolls. Number 9. Knez Mihailova Street is Belgrade's most famous pedestrian zone, lined with cafes, boutiques, and stunning 19th century architecture. It's the perfect spot for people watching or enjoying local street food. Number 10. The Church of St. Sava is one of the largest Orthodox churches in the world, and it's still being completed. With a gleaming white exterior and lavish mosaics inside, it's a truly iconic sight. Number 11. Did you know Belgrade has a thriving floating nightlife scene? The splavovi, or floating bars and clubs, are a staple on the Sava and Danube rivers, offering unforgettable nightlife with a view. Number 12. The Old Palace and New Palace in Belgrade serve as the seat of the city government and the Serbian presidency, respectively, and their regal architecture reflects Serbia's grand history. Number 13. Belgrade's ciganlija island on the Sava River is often called Belgrade Sea. This recreational area has beaches, sports facilities, and bars, making it a popular escape for both locals and visitors. Number 14. Kalemegdan Forest is the city's crown jewel. Perched high above the rivers, this fortress has withstood countless sieges and is now a stunning park filled with historical landmarks and breathtaking views. Number 15. The Avala Tower offers panoramic views of Belgrade and the surrounding area. Standing over 200 meters tall, it's the tallest structure in the Balkans and a symbol of resilience after being rebuilt in the 2000s. Number 16. The Belgrade waterfront is a recent development project along the Sava River, featuring luxurious buildings, shopping, and entertainment venues. It's quickly becoming a hotspot for both locals and tourists. Number 17. The Tesla Museum in Belgrade honors inventor Nikola Tesla, with some of his original belongings on display. It's the only museum in the world where Tesla's ashes are housed in an urn. Number 18. The Danube Promenade offers a peaceful escape from the bustling city. It's a scenic spot perfect for a leisurely walk, bike ride, or even a boat tour along one of Europe's most famous rivers. Number 19. The royal compound in Dedinje is where the Serbian royal family resides. Visitors can take guided tours of the Royal Palace and White Palace, experiencing the elegance of Serbian nobility. Number 20. The city's green markets, like the Kalenić market, are a sensory overload with fresh produce, spices, flowers, and Serbian delicacies. It's a taste of local life and a chance to sample some authentic flavors. Number 21. Belgrade's history is impressive. It's one of the oldest cities in Europe, with over 7,000 years of settlement. Archaeological sites reveal its rich history, with remnants dating back to the Vinca culture, a major prehistoric civilization. Number 22. The Belgrade Philharmonic Orchestra is one of the most prestigious in the region. Their performances attract both locals and visitors, making it a must-visit for classical music fans. Number 23. The House of Flowers is the resting place of Josip Broz Tito, former leader of Yugoslavia. It's part of the Museum of Yugoslavia, where you can learn about Tito's life and the complex history of Yugoslavia. Number 24. Belgrade has been conquered 44 times over the centuries. Its turbulent past has shaped its identity, and today it stands strong as a symbol of resilience. Number 25. Gibanica, a Serbian layered cheese pie, is a must-try. You can find this delicious dish in nearly every bakery in Belgrade, offering a savory delight to locals and visitors. Number 26. For a flashback to Yugoslavia, visitors can tour Tito's Blue Train, a luxurious mode of travel used by former President Tito. It's like stepping into a Yugoslavian time capsule. Number 27. One of the coolest cultural spaces in Belgrade is the Mixer House, an industrial warehouse transformed into a vibrant center for art, fashion, and design. Number 28. In summer, Belgrade's ice cream stands pop up everywhere, offering flavors like roasted sesame, rakia, and green tea. It's a unique and delicious way to cool off. Number 29. The Skadarlija district is Belgrade's bohemian heart, similar to Paris's Montmartre. With cobbled streets, historic buildings, and lively taverns, it's a cultural hotspot where you'll find traditional music, art, and Serbian delicacies. Number 30. The vibrant colors and patterns of Serbian folk costumes are often seen during festivals in Belgrade, displaying the rich tradition of Serbian embroidery and design. Number 31. Nikola Square, the heart of Belgrade, is a place of historical significance, with a stunning fountain that lights up at night and becomes a city gathering spot. Number 32. The Ethnographic Museum offers a glimpse into traditional Serbian life with exhibits of folk costumes, artifacts, and cultural traditions from across the country. Number 33. The Danube and Sava rivers meet at Belgrade, and you can take a scenic boat cruise to see the city from a fresh perspective. The sunsets from the water are especially breathtaking. Number 34. The Hotel Moskva is a Belgrade icon with a history spanning over a century. Its grand facade and luxurious interior have hosted famous guests like Albert Einstein and Alfred Hitchcock. Number 35. The Tasmajdan Sports Center is a popular venue for sports events, concerts, and festivals, surrounded by beautiful parks for a relaxed day outdoors. Number 36. The Rasava Cave, just a drive from Belgrade, is one of Serbia's oldest caves, filled with stalactites and stalagmites and dating back 45 million years. Number 37. Did you know Belgrade has a dedicated museum night every year? On this night, museums and galleries across the city open their doors for free, allowing locals and visitors to explore cultural treasures until the early hours. It attracts over 200,000 visitors each year. Number 38. Located in New Belgrade, the Usce shopping center is one of the largest shopping malls in the Balkans, with hundreds of international stores, restaurants, and entertainment options, blending modernity with Belgrade's dynamic spirit. Number 39. The Jewish cemetery in Belgrade is one of the oldest Jewish cemeteries in Europe, with graves dating back to the 18th century, offering a quiet reflection on the history of Belgrade's Jewish community. Number 40. The pedestrian bridge, Branko's Bridge, is one of Belgrade's busiest, connecting New Belgrade with the Old Town. Walking across gives you stunning views of both cityscapes and rivers. Number 41. The Ada Bridge, with its iconic cable-stayed structure, has become one of the city's modern landmarks, often illuminated at night, creating a striking view over the Sava River. Number 42. Belgrade has a unique landmark called the Roman Well, a mysterious underground structure within Kalemegdan Fortress, which continues to fascinate visitors with its deep, winding staircase and eerie legends. Number 43. Tarazije Fountain, located in Tarazije Square, is a historical landmark and one of the city's most iconic meeting points, dating back to 1860. Number 44. And last but definitely not least, locals say Belgrade has an invisible energy, a unique vibe that draws people in and makes them want to stay. Whether it's the history, the nightlife, or the culture, Belgrade has a way of capturing hearts. And that's a wrap. 44 fun and unforgettable facts about the enchanting city of Belgrade. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure that you give us a like, and please share your views and opinions with us in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest adventures on Europe in Detail. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.